which means it is time for We Love It, We Hate It, because it makes you sick, but it's important. It's the restaurant report card.
Yep.
One of the grades on this one, I got to warn you, it is the lowest that we've seen in a while.
Yeah, and the description is even worse. Bill McGinty has a look at this week's top violations.
This week, a first, somebody going elbow deep into the food right in front of the inspector. So my question is, what are they doing when the health inspector isn't there?
All right, here we go at the Santa Fe Mexican restaurant on Central Avenue. They had food temperature issues too, and somebody in charge was blaming the mistakes on the new employee that hadn't been trained yet. And someone was also wiping their gloved hands on the towel around their waist, then touching dirty dishes, then going back to the food, but never washed their hands in between. Another employee was also seen mixing beans with her bare hand and her bare arm. In fact, that employee was elbow deep in the beans. Their grade here at the Santa Fe is 76.5. Wow, that's a C grade and the lowest I've seen in a while. Next up, a Cici's Pizza location, the one on Windsor Square Drive over in Matthews. They had plates and utensils that were marked clean, but were still pretty dirty. Also, employees were not wearing beard and hairnets to keep those stray hairs out of your pizza. Their grade here, a 90.5. That's still an A grade. Last up this week, a popular place in Cornelius called Fork, right there on North Main. They had hand-washing issues too, and they were warned about it. They had unwashed produce in with ready-to-eat foods. Their grade here at Fork, a 90. That's the lowest possible A grade.
An interesting report this week, and that is why it is worth reading all those violations. I'm Bill McGinty reporting.
I like to give these restaurants the benefit of the doubt.
Exactly.
Anytime a restaurant report card involves the term elbow deep, it's never a good sign.
My thing is you should have a spoon. Your elbow should never be.
Ruby, thank you for stating the obvious. This woman was elbow deep in beans.
Wait.
So was
Her
it like
elbow
this?
deep is like this. No.
Is it like
No,
this?
it's like this.
It's like this?
That's a big pot of beans right there.
I'm like thinking
She's
it's
not going like this.
Either way it goes, it's bad. Who does that?
Get your hands out of the beans.
Anytime it's a grade C.
Wow.
Isn't it at that point you
Don't
should
go.
just like pack it up and be like, you know what, we're done.
Anyway.
I can't even.